Hello and welcome to a new video, and in this one I'm going to show you how to create followers in a very easy way, and how to get people to follow you more and more, increase the number of followers by whatever number you want, etc. And let's just go into it. So after you have started your Instagram profile, after you have already set it up and you have 10 to 15 or more posts in your account of photos, videos, or whatever, as Yanis did here, then you can actually start creating your followers, and it's gonna be very easy. And how will you actually do that? The simplest way that I have to share right now is actually the concept of follow for follow, or follow and unfollow. And I'm going to show you right now what I mean. The basic idea is that you want to follow other accounts or other people, and when they see that you followed them, they're going to follow you back, or some of them are going to follow you back. And around 1/5, like 1% of 5% that you're going to follow are going to follow you back. So if you follow 50 people, around 10 of them are going to follow you back. If you follow 500 people, around 100 of them are going to follow you back. And let's just go right now to who are you going to actually follow, because you can actually follow whoever randomly, but we're going to show you a very specific way that is a very good strategy to build up your followers, and the correct followers for you, so that if you, for example, if you have business, you actually sell more products because of the followers that you created. And if you are a specific person, you can get more likes. Yes, you can actually get more likes, more engagement in your post, more comments, etc. in your post. So the concept is this. For example, Yanis has a page here that is motivator, businessman, lecturer, and his account is built on motivation, motivational quotes, business things, etc. So you want, if you are a person, and if you are a business, by the way, we're going to speak about that in a little bit. But if you're a person, and let's say if you are, let's say Yanis, let's take Yanis, he will go to a similar person that is a celebrity or is known in general, is in his own space. And let's just go to a guy named Grant Cardone, who is the number one guy on sales. He's teaching sales and business, and he's number one in the world actually right now.